So hello guys, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and today we are going to discuss about auto response rules. So as I am making videos on web to lead form, so that's the reason I am creating this video like auto response rules, and earlier video is all about email template that I am going to use in this video. So basically auto response rules let you automatically send email responses to lead or case submission based on the record entered by the user. So but basically what is the meaning of this? Like suppose you are having a website and you are using a web to lead form over there, and when a particular visitor of your website submit a form, then the lead will be auto generated in your Salesforce org, and after the successfully lead generation of your lead, email will be fired to that user email that thanks for contacting, according it's all up to you what email you want to deliver to that user. So basically you can create auto response rules for lead or case submissions, and let's see where you can use your auto response rules. Like for lead object you can use in web to lead, and for case here are 5 major points where you can use them. Like self-service portal, custom portal, web to case, etc. And here you have to notice one point, or which you have to consider, like you can create ample number of auto response rules, but what is the limitations here? What are the limitations while creating auto response rules? Is like you can only activate one auto response rules per lead and case. Like with combination you can create 2 auto response rules, one for lead and one for case, not more than one. So without wasting any time, let's see the demo, like how auto response rules will work for web to lead. Here I am using a web to lead use case. So let's see. Here I am in my Salesforce org, where I have to type simply lead, and here as you see here lead auto response rules, you have to simply click on it. So as you see there is right now one activated auto response rules. So let's click on it and deactivate it. As I already told you, like per object you having only one auto response rules will be there. So simply what I will do, I simply click on edit and simply click on deselect this checkbox and simply save it. And let's move back to the lead auto response rules, and as you see the current auto response rules is not active now. Now we should create a new one and name it like thank you email. Simply click this checkbox to make it active and save this. Now what you have to do, simply click on thank you email, and here you have to basically provide the rule entries. You can create any number of rule entries here, but you have to define the order. Like suppose I am creating one new rule entry here, so you have to simply apply the order number. Like you creating 3 rules over there, you have to simply provide them sort order. Like first you have to apply this rule, then second one this rule, and third one this rule. So basically what auto response rule will do, it will matching your criteria rule order wise, like first rule, second rule, and third rule. Suppose if your first criteria is matched, then it will not match the other two rule entries, and simply if the first rule is not matched, then it will come to second one and match it. If second one is matched, then it will not come to third one. So here basically what I am doing here formula evaluates to true, like not criteria are met. So simply I am giving order 1, and I am simply creating only one entry rule. So whenever this rule becomes true, like whenever this formula evaluates to true, I want to send an email. So basically I write in the field true, and what I have to do now, you have to simply provide the user name, like from where, suppose you are delivering an email to a particular user, so you have to provide the name which will be reflected in your email. So I simply type my name here, Shubham Bharadwaj. After that, you have to simply select an email address, like what email address you have to show here. Like suppose you are in your org, you are having a default email address which is your org email address, or a particular Salesforce user profile. Suppose you are having a sales profile and you are creating this rule entry. So basically you have to apply here your your email. So simply I am typing the default email of this org, which is Shubham Bharadwaj SF gmail.com. Now what you have to do, simply you have to select the email template. So as I told you in my previous video that auto response rules only allow you to choose the classic email templates, like not the lightning one. That's why I am created a lightning email template in classic one, not in lightning. So here I have simply choose Salesforce Geek thank you mail template, or you can simply check it out, thank you template, which I created in my earlier videos. Like simply select it, and now simply click on save. So as of now our auto response rules is activated and already done with the rule entry. So basically now it's time to test it out. So let's back into the lead object and simply refresh it. So just to let you know that I am not having any kind of leads for today. So now let's see whether I am having any kind of lead or not in the today's list view. So as you see, Rajesh Kumar Mandal is the only lead here. So what I am going to do, simply type my website name, which is salesforcegeek.in, and going to contact me tab. And as you see, this is the web to lead form I am using for this org. So simply you have to choose the name, let's say Salesforce Geek. You have to type the email. So I am selecting an email, Shubham Bharadwaj SRD, which is my different email, and here you have to type the website name, simplesalesforce.com. So simply click on this reCAPTCHA and submit it. As always, it will redirect you to the particular URL you are entering into the web to lead form. So I redirect it to my Salesforce Geek channel. And let's move to the list view, today's list view of lead, and simply click on refresh. So as you see, a lead is already created in our org named as Salesforce Geek, and you can also see the email over there. And now what we have to do, we have to simply check whether we get an email from our org or not. So let's refresh it. So as you see, like I am receiving an email from Shubham, thank you for connecting. Click on it. So here we go. So this is the email template I am talking about in my earlier video. If you don't watch the video till now, you can check it out from our playlist or our videos. So this is the basically email template I am used for this email. And you can also see like there are working links over there. So simply, if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join. We are currently 262 members in our group and growing day by day, and we are sharing a lot of good stuff to this channel. And you can also discuss all the stuff in our discussion group. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join. So basically this is all about auto response rules for today. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more such videos. And thank you so much if you're watching this video till now. Thank you.